Hello guys and welcome back to Harmonweb, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to locate the htaccess file in your file manager and also to remove file extensions in your htaccess. Okay, let's get right into today's tutorial. So first of all you need to do is log into your Harmonweb client area. I'm logged into mine. Then come under your service, log into your cpanel. I'm also logged into mine. Then go to your file manager. Logging into my file manager right now. So yeah, in order to access your htaccess file, htaccess file is more like an hidden file. It has this dot. If you see stuff like, let me first disable it so you're going to see what I'm saying. Your file manager would be like this. Okay, let's go under public html. None of these files have a dot in the front. Files that have dots in the front are always hidden in your file manager. So in order to see the htaccess file, how to locate it is to come under the settings button that you see on your screen, click on it, then click on show hidden folders, hidden files. As you can see, it says what dot files. Select it, then click on save. Then your file manager will load, and as you can see here, you'll be able to see your htaccess file. So now to edit your htaccess file, to remove file extensions, you select it like this, then come under here, you click on edit, or if you're using system, select it, then you right click and click on edit. This is going to load up, and click on edit. It's going to take you to a new window where you'll be able to edit your htaccess file to either remove php file extensions or html. Okay, so let's let it load up. Good. If you scroll down, this is all what is inside my htaccess file. Okay, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see this rewrite rule index.php. Okay, let's say we don't want to, well, I'm using html, you just change it to html, and these are the top here to write it to index.html. Then you click on what, save changes. Once it has successfully saved, you see it says what, success, then you are good to go. That is that on how to edit your locate and edit your htaccess file to remove file extension. So now before you go, I'll be giving you a 40% off discount code on Harmonweb, which you can see displayed on your screen right now. Is a 40% discount code which you can use to check out your orders on Harmonweb and get 40% off your next web hosting purchase on Harmonweb. Do make sure you use it. Watch our YouTube videos for any other tutorials and have a great day. Goodbye.